Birds are not separate from reptiles. They come from dinosaurs. This is not theory by analogy, it is fossil evidence. Feathers appeared before flight. They had other functions. Feathers first meant insulation. They controlled body heat. Later, feathers signaled identity. They showed species and sex. Flight evolved step by step, not in one leap. Small changes accumulated. Natural selection preserved them. Bones became lighter, skeletons changed shape. Lungs evolved for constant airflow. Breathing became efficient. Wings became tools, not just limbs. Once flight existed, diversity followed, rapidly. Beaks adapted to food. Diet shaped form. Feet adapted to environment, land, water, trees. Behavior evolved with bodies. Sound mattered. Modern birds are survivors, dinosaurs that endured. Extinction removed others. Birds adapted faster. Evolution has no goal, only persistence. Birds explain evolution clearly because they are it.